Good morning, everyone. This is Zinat, and my topic is role of the parents in our life. In my opinion, parents is the first teacher in our life. They teach us how to talk, how to walk, and how to speak, and how to behave. You think you have no parents, you can do all things. No. No. Because in this world, people cannot love wholeheartedly, but they are parents. They love wholeheartedly, and they are support you. People also greedy in your money, and they respect people. People are they respect you. People are they respect to you in your money because in this world people also people also people also people also people cannot support you. They are parents, they support you. Parents teach us honesty, kindness, respect others, and hard work. Honesty, they are teach us honesty. um, they are not they are not teachers. You can take other people. You can take other people things. You can take other people things. Kindness, they they are teach us kindness. 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 वो मैं डालूं थोड़ा सा
They teach us to be kind. They teaches us to be.
They teach us. They teach us to be kind and respect others. They are teach us respect elder peoples, uh, respect older senior people, and work hard. They are teach us work hard. We cannot work hard. We cannot do work hard. We cannot successful in our life. Thank you. Have a nice day.